Imagine making money while chillin'. Sounds crazy, right? Well, in today's AI-powered world, it's possible. Let's dive into eBay dropshipping with the lazy method, a fully automated approach. So why should you stick around till the end of this video? Well, because I'm about to lift the curtain on how to find winning products automatically. List them directly to your store and share some insider hacks that big eBay sellers use to drive sales. Intrigued? Let's jump right in. So, research and niche selection success on eBay begins with finding the right products. You need items that sell like hotcakes, especially if you're just starting out. Thankfully, our secret weapon, Zeek Analytics, the top-notch product research software, is here to the rescue. With its AI-driven technology, Zeek spots dropshippers and poaches their items in a snap. But that's not all. There's more. Now, let's walk you through our first lazy method to find those winning products. Meet the bulk scanner, a nifty tool from Zeek that can find products from Amazon and Walmart in bulk. It's like having a personal detective that scans any eBay dropshippers and finds all its items from Amazon and Walmart. Let's see how I find a dropshipper and add it to the bulk scanner. Now, here's how the bulk scanner works. You have two lists, a scan seller list and a multi-scanner. So we first need to see how we form these lists. So from here, you're going to jump into the product research and search for something you're interested in. So from the stats, we scroll down to the products. Here you can see dropshippers who are selling these items by this little balloon icon here, or you can actually go ahead and manually filter only dropshippers. Now we move on to the next step, which is scanning sellers. Here is the seller stats. We have all of the products that they are selling, but what we're interested in at the moment is this button here. Now, you can't see it yet, but once you click on it, this seller is automatically added to your scanned sellers list that we just looked at. And then from here, you don't have to go back and forth. You can just click on the same spot again, and it will take you to your list. So now when you click on the username, it will take you into the seller stats and product list. But this time, it will give you information on the products that are selling from Amazon to eBay from this particular seller. So here you can see the eBay image and the Amazon image, as well as the eBay title, Amazon title, price of each, and of course, the profit this seller is making. Now, all you need to do is select the items you want to sell by selecting one at a time or selecting all. Choose the folder you want these products to be in and move. So once in the folder, you can select all of these items. You can upload all the products to your lister, filter out what you would like to exclude, and upload all listings. Another feature under the bulk scanner is the multi-scanner, where you can select up to 5 sellers and scan all 5 at the same time, which means you're working 5 times faster, and time is money. So filter out what you prefer and click scan. This will appear under the multi-scanner. So there you have it. The bulk scanner is available on the Pro Plus plan of Zeek. You can try it for $1. Ready to make your life even easier? Here's our second lazy method. That's a walk in the park. Welcome to the Turbo Scanner. This tool has a database of over 6 million drop shipping items from Amazon and Walmart. It's like having a library of winning products at your fingertips. Here in the drop down, you can select your supplier. This example will be Amazon.com. Then you have the option to select categories. You can, from here, select any specific category, or you can select all, then uncheck all the items you would like to avoid. Save it and move on. Here we have the rating of the Amazon items you like to search for. The higher the rating, the less product results. So just be sure to find products customers are happy with. You also have the option to turn this filter completely off, giving you the freedom of looking for the new products that have yet to get any ratings. I usually go with a happy medium of 3 stars. Moving on, I usually select Prime only because of the better customer service I can provide on eBay due to faster shipping times on Amazon. Here, you have other filters as well. You can fill those out to your liking. Once you have everything filled out, you can click the scan button. You have the pending status that will quickly finish up here. And once it does, you have 100 items. If you happen to click scan again, or if you would like to click scan again, you will get a new scan of 100 new items. So now you have 200 unique items to use. Going into the actual list of items, now you can see the item image, the title, the sales, the price, ratings, all that good stuff. Now you may select the items you're interested in, or you can just select to export all items into a CSV file, or the cool option is you can upload directly to your lister with integration. So you select your lister and connect it to your AutoDS store. And the Turbo Scanner is also available on the Enterprise plan of Zeek, and it's a $1 trial. Okay, so if you're enjoying the content and finding value, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our next hot topic. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Okay, you found fantastic products without breaking a sweat. But what if I told you there's a game-changing tool that increases your accuracy and profitability while you're being lazy? So now let's introduce the Autopilot. This revolutionary tool not only automates finding winning products, but lets you filter them by profit, success, and competition rate. It's like having your personal business consultant. So here in Autopilot, let's jump into new scan and create a new scan. In order to do that, we need to do the following. Name your scan, choose the supplier. Here in the categories, you can select all and exclude others. Again, average rating of these products, I will select 3 stars. I also like to select only Prime as well as include similar items. Now let's filter out competition of 25, let's say, minimum of 3 sales and max 10,000. Minimum price $20. So for ROI, it all depends on how many items you would like to work with. If you're interested in listing thousands of items, the ROI should be around 0.15 or 0.2 or 20. And when I say ROI, I mean return on investment. Investment is the cost of the product with your supplier. Return is profit. But you do not need to fill out any of these filters. You can leave them all 0 and still get amazing results. So let's move on to start the scan. So now the data from eBay and the supplier we selected are being cross-matched right now. And in just a few seconds, the scan is completed. So now you have this amazing list of products, and here you can see the eBay image, the supplier image, as well as the different titles used, the prices. This also calculates the potential profit that could be made. From here, you decide what products you would like to list or select upload all and connect to your AutoDS store. And the Turbo Scanner is available on the Enterprise plan of Zeek as well. And of course, you can try it for $1. Let's now talk about the listing automation with Zeek integrations. Have you ever wished for a magic button that lists all your items on the leading listing software with just one click? Well, Zeek heard you and built just that. The best part? It can help you avoid risky and viral items, ensuring your listings are safe and sound. And I will show you a bit on how it works. Okay, so now going back to where we ended in Autopilot. Once your status is completed, you will click on the title or the name of your scan. Once that opens up, you have the option to upload all here. And then once you click on that, you have the option to connect to your lister. In the select lister dropdown, you can go ahead and select AutoDS. And once you do that, you will be taken to the AutoDS login where you will fill out your credentials to connect to AutoDS.
Now, this takes you to Zeek integrations, where you choose type in this dropdown, select AutoDS, and then connect your AutoDS store. Okay, so once we have all of that, now we're going back to Zeek Autopilot. Click Upload All. Choose your lister. Marketplace is eBay.com. You can go ahead and now select your store. And then you have title, supplier title, and also be sure to exclude Vero brands. Then click Upload and wait about 5 seconds. And then here in the drafts in AutoDS, you will have your uploaded items. You can also go ahead and click View History to show the items that have been uploaded. And from here, you can select this box for all results to be selected. So your whole list to be selected, giving you the option to import all as a result to your store. So import all of the results that you have selected into your eBay store.
All right, we're making good progress here. If you've learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and you should have by now. Now, I promised you some insider secrets that big dropshippers keep under wraps. Are you ready for some golden nuggets? Here are 3 secret tips. 1, listing optimization is key. The title and item specifics are king and queen here. 2, kick things off with low prices and gradually increase them. This boosts your listing ranking and drives more sales. And 3, the golden rule. Never ever cancel an order for items out of stock. Reach out to the buyer, explain the situation, and suggest alternatives. If you must cancel, do it right. Choose buyer ask to cancel or issue with the address. I hope you found this video valuable. Automation can be a game changer, but remember, being lazy does not mean being uninvolved. It means working smart, not hard. Keep learning, keep innovating, and remember, the key to success is doing things the right way. As they say, the proof is in the pudding. Peace and love to everyone. Stay tuned to see our next video where we will unveil more e-commerce secrets.